Hello everyone, we're standing here today at World Hydrogen Week, organized by World Hydrogen Leaders. My name is Johann Wiebe from Hydrogen Standard, and with me stands Aksel Aksam from Technip Energies. Did I say that correct?
Absolutely, very good, Johann. Thank you.
Fantastic to have you, Aksel. Well, tell us a little bit about the business, Technip Energies, and your role in it.
All right. Well, first of all, happy to be here and chatting with you today. My name is Aksel Aksam, as you said. I am the global head of hydrogen markets of Technip Energies. Technip Energies is a leading technology and engineering company in the energy industry for 65 years, actually. Has more than 16,000 engineers, more than 500 experts, and more than 60 technologies. So delivering some of the most challenging projects in the world in the energy industry.
Definitely a big name in the industry, widely recognized, widely seen at many places. Can you tell us a little bit about sort of the history of Technip Energies and its involvement in hydrogen?
Well, that's quite a long history as well. Technip Energies has more than 60 years engagement with the hydrogen industry. Actually, I should say today's hydrogen manufacturing production capacity of the world today, more than close to 30%, I should say, is utilizing Technip technology. So this is more than 275 plants, lots of industry firsts, from application of the pre-reformer for feedstock flexibility to PSAs for the purification. There are many industry firsts Technip has applied through its technology centers in the Netherlands and in California.
And what are some of the key products when you talk about technology and applications that Technip offers?
Essentially today, in today's market, we have a portfolio of solutions which we brand under the name Blue H2 by 10. That is a portfolio of solutions that combines technology, project delivery, operational and maintenance support. In today's market, especially in the challenging decarbonization industry, there's no one solution that fits all. So you need a portfolio of solutions that brings the right technology for you, for your project, for your capacity, for your feedstock, for your ultimate goal. So feedstock, capacity, location of the project, these are all challenges and inputs you use to find the right solution. So Blue H2 by 10 combines all these technologies and the ability and the history of Technip Energies to deliver complex projects in one umbrella. So we use the Blue H2 by 10 portfolio to respond to the challenges of our clients and their projects.
Tell us some of the challenges that we're facing then, sort of dealing with blue hydrogen projects, some of the feedback that you get from your customers.
Yeah, this is an important question because this is actually why we put Blue H2 by 10 offering together. Decarbonization is not easy, and the main challenges that you're facing in decarbonization is essentially the project delivery assurance, the technology wrap, and the cost, right? So with our partner Casale, we developed a new ATR-based solution, which is called ROX, Recuperative Oxidative Reforming. This ensures that our clients get the lowest cost of hydrogen for their project, for big-scale hydrogen applications, and the least energy consumption. So from the design perspective, ROX offers the most optimum design for the big-scale hydrogen production, combining Technip's delivery excellence, which basically means there is no distinction between technology and project delivery. So Technip combines all this, including operations and maintenance support, under one umbrella. So you can call it a one-stop shop for your challenging hydrogen projects.
Now, blue hydrogen projects are considered a little bit of a bridge technology, and I'm happy to hear sort of your opinion on that. A lot of the industry looks at sort of rolling out capacity on the green side, but that won't happen overnight. What do you feel is sort of like the take-up and the appetite for rolling out projects on with blue hydrogen?
The main motivation for us is to act today to lower the carbon intensity and the carbon emissions to the world, right? Green hydrogen eventually is the ultimate solution, and it will be the ultimate solution most likely in the future. But we don't have time to wait for the future. So the solutions we can bring in today, whether it is starting from reducing the carbon emissions today, right? The cheapest way to lower your carbon intensity is to reduce your emissions, not to capture the carbon. So before Blue H2, we're going to look into your process, reduce your carbon emissions. So the technologies that are available today, whether it is by Technip or any other company, needs to be applied today. We cannot wait for 10 years. We're going to use that time to basically develop all the emerging technologies like green hydrogen, turquoise hydrogen, which is methane pyrolysis, which will all have their own applications in the future. But we got to act today.
On sort of the geographic locations of where some of these projects are based on the blue technology, do you notice a difference? For example, Europe versus North America?
Absolutely. As I mentioned, the challenges of the geography is very prominent in these projects. So today, the market that is actually progressing most on the hydrogen transformation is actually North America, right? We are involved with major projects with ExxonMobil, with BP in UK. And UK was also the first country in Europe to move forward with these projects. But recently we see a bit of a challenge in European continent with respect to the energy import, hydrogen import to Europe from Norway and Nordics countries. So there are some challenges. If you look at Far East, the policies are still to be formed. India is very dominantly green hydrogen focused. And Middle East is still seeking for their direction in where they want to go as an energy exporter.
I guess a lot of different regions are sort of figuring out how to best approach rolling out the hydrogen roadmaps and their policies and that. Finally then, Aksel, why are you here at this event?
I mean, we are happy to be here at World Hydrogen Week. We are actually here to meet our partners, clients, to talk about the challenges we are facing in the industry and how are we all together going to create the solutions the world needs today to lower the carbon emissions. That's why we're here.
Fantastic. Aksel from Technip Energies, thank you very much.
Thank you, Jim.